Hi, I hope you all are doing great. We know that the AFCAT notification has been out, and right after I shared my AFSB experience, I received a lot of queries and people were asking me my strategy that how they should prepare from scratch. So in this video, my focus will be to cover the strategy, how to prepare from scratch and how to score more than 200. At the same time, I will try to cover up how one should prepare for AFSB or SSB at the same time for the written examination as well. The intention of this video is not to grab more number of viewers or subscribers. I am doing this so that I myself stay consistent in my work, and I want people to join us together over my Telegram channel where we have started practicing things together. I'll be putting the link in the description. You can check and join our group. So let us start. So AFCAT का पेपर में there are generally 4 sections: maths, reasoning, English and static GK. So how we should prepare? So maths में ना there are 2 parts in maths. If you are preparing for other competitive examinations, then you will mostly find that arithmetic maths and advanced maths are asked in papers like SSC. But AFCAT में only arithmetic maths is asked. Arithmetic maths के अभी topic कौन-कौन से हैं? These are displayed in the screen. You can check and take a screenshot. So maths में ना 18 to 20 questions maths में आएंगे. Then reasoning में 32, English में 20, GK में 25, 20. It varies. So total there are 100 questions, and you will be having 2 hours time to do this paper. And this is a computerized paper. You have to go to the center. You have to sit in front of the computer and you have to give the exam. Okay. So now maths के लिए कैसे prepare करें? Topics आपको पता चल गया. कौन-कौन से topics आपको prepare करने हैं? There are n number of videos over YouTube. What you can do? You can search over that topic. For example, percentage. Start from the chapter percentage. Don't give more than 2 days in one topic. Search percentage basic, and there will be n number of videos. Go to that video, watch the video, understand the basics, and right after completing the video, you have to take a subscription of this application, Testbook. Testbook is such a great application. You'll be having the test series of all the exams, be it AFCAT, CTS, CAPF, SSC, banking, all the examinations test series, all the examinations test papers are available over this application. And the yearly subscription is very it is very convenient. Only I think 200 or 300 a year. Watch the video, learn the basics, directly go into this application, get the AFCAT test series enrolled in your page, and then you will find there are topic wise mock available. After you complete one topic, go there, give test. Likewise, understand the topic, come here, give test. You have to daily practice solving questions. Don't only go through videos. The main thing is practice. So वहाँ पर जाके सीख के यहाँ पर आके practice करना है. And you have to repeat this for 1 and 2 months. So 1 महीना में you will complete the basics, the understanding part. सीख के हो जाएगा, ठीक है? उसके बाद full mock test लगाना है, full mock test लगाना है. And you have to try to complete before 2 hours. Okay, done. So maths के लिए हो गया. Reasoning के लिए same. Reasoning is the most scoring part in AFCAT, and the paper is quite easy. Believe me. जो भी SSC banking के लिए prepare कर रहा है, for them this paper is just a cakewalk. Trust me. Practice से हो जाता है. Like you only need 1 month time for AFCAT preparation, not more than that. So reasoning के लिए भी topics I have displayed on the screen, you can see. And test series के mock test लगाने से ही हो जाता है. You have to mock test लगाने से भी नहीं होगा. From there you have to find out your mistake, re-verify, again give mock test. Then if you repeat this process, you are in. You have your SSB call letter in your hand. So English के लिए what you have to do? English के लिए important है vocab and idioms and phrases. And the third most important thing is grammar. So vocab and idioms and phrases के लिए I'll be putting one PDF where there are a collection of 2,000 idioms and phrases. I'll be putting in the Telegram channel. You can go and get it from there and try to learn like 10 or 20 idioms and phrases regularly. Vocab के लिए भी I'll be putting one PDF in my Telegram. So for grammar, spotting related questions आते हैं, fillers आते हैं. For that, grammar के लिए you have to understand the parts of speech. जो English का section है, you have to learn the basic rules of grammar, like what is a noun, tense हो गया, फिर एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस, कंजम्पशन क्या है, एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, यू हैव टू लर्न द बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ ग्रामर. इसके लिए भी देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ वीडियो. कहीं से भी पहले यू हैव टू सर्च द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, देन यू बी गेटिंग द टॉपिक्स, देन प्रिपेयर वन बाय वन. टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा सा ना, 1 month 2 month प्रैक्टिस करो, वर्क हार्ड. एंड एक ही बार तुमको पढ़ना है, बार बार यू डोंट हैव टू स्टडी. एक बार पढ़ो, अच्छे से पढ़ो. देन we're done with your grammar. For English, AFSB worksheet is a great book for preparing all the types of questions that are asked from the English section. Also, you have to make practice of reading the editorial of any one newspaper, be it Hindu or the Indian Express, anything, any newspaper. So you have to start reading the newspaper. If you start reading the newspaper, you don't have to read the complete newspaper. First, you have to read the first page and then the editorial. Any one editorial article is very important. Now, when you are doing this practice, what you are enhancing, the first thing that you are boosting is your knowledge, which will be very beneficial during your GD. And the second thing, you will be able to comprehend the passages very well. You will be able to do the passage answers and questions without any mistake. So try to make it a habit. Now the last part is static GK. So see, AFCAT में ना मतलब इतना current affairs वगैरह नहीं आता. Hardly 2, 3 or 5 questions may be asked from the current affairs. So current affairs के लिए don't follow regular current affairs videos. Weekly try to cover up the current affairs of a month or a week. ठीक है? You have to maintain that consistency. At the same time, AFCAT में there are some specific areas where questions are generally asked, like awards and honors हो गया, sports related terms, first person in India, history से, modern history से, then medieval history say, like the basic, the first layer of the questions are asked. So the topics and also how to prepare for the same, you can follow up. Like there are channels over YouTube, CredUp is there, online benches is there. They are coming out with great content. So even I am preparing from there. No need to take any online coaching. So there are a number of free videos available. Also you can follow the SSB Crack website. They also upload they have uploaded a video. They have covered the static GK as well. So you can follow up these links. Also I'll be putting one topic every day in my Telegram channel of static GK that you should do it regularly. So if you go on collecting those, if you go on learning those topics regularly, I think static GK will not be a great issue. Don't just rely on this AFCAT exam. At the same time, you have to keep your mind open and prepare for the other exams as well. Because whenever you will go for SSB, they will obviously ask for your backup plans. And you cannot say that, no, if I don't make this time, I will come again and again. No, that will not happen. So prepare for AFCAT and other exams as well. Make the syllabus a common syllabus. If you prepare for like SSC or banking, this syllabus is just okay. So what we have to do? Abhi AFCAT ke liye, like you have 2 months. 2 months, okay. You take the month of June, learn the basics of maths and reasoning, and July say regularly you have to do one mock test, analyze your answers, and again re-verify again mock test. Okay. So I assure you that if you follow this practice regularly, then no one can stop you from getting the call letter. So thank you. Also, I'd like to show something. You can set your targets. You have to. You don't. Please don't make a timetable that 6 बजे से 7 बजे तक ये करना है, 7 to 8 ये करना है. No. Rather than doing that, what you can do, assign yourself tasks for the day. सोने से पहले या before starting your study table, before going to the study table or before sleeping, just assign yourself certain tasks. And next day try to complete maximum of those tasks. And अगर नहीं होता ना, last में you give yourself remarks. ठीक है? Now show you how I have maintained my daily task. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे daily task assign करके रखा है, and I used to check myself whether I have completed those tasks or not. And जैसे maths के लिए मुझे ये सब topics अभी cover करना है for the next AFCAT. So you can also do the same. और also ये तुम ऐसे बना सकते हो अपने घर पे. This is just a thermocol. मैंने wall में ऐसे चिपका के रखा है, क्योंकि whatever I feel like I used to pin it up with this. So you can use this technique. या इससे ना you don't like otherwise we used to stick papers और ये ख़राब हो जाता है वो वाल. तो ऐसा आप लोग कर सकते हो setup. So this was all for the day. I hope you really liked the video and keep preparing. And ये strategy अपना के देखो, you'll be able to crack it. And so in my next video I'll be coming up how to prepare parallelly for the AFSB and for the written exam as well. See you until next time. Thank you.